What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy, Ricky Jones Jr., and I'm here for an unboxing. What I have beside me is a grill that was purchased for me for my brother and my sister, which is kind of cool and interesting because I've actually never cooked on my own grill. We've had a grill at our first town home, and I actually gave that grill away. So having a grill in my house is going to be very interesting, but we'll give it a try. You know, it was a birthday gift. You receive all gifts with love and kindness, and you use your gifts. That's what I was taught. That's what I'm going to do. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into this unboxing of my grill. Don't even know what kind of grill it is, to be honest. I just know he got it off Amazon. He showed me a picture of it. I liked it, approved it, and he sent it to my house. So that's what we have here. By the time we get into it, I know what kind it is, and hopefully we'll be able to assemble it within a reasonable amount of time. All right, let's go do it. And subscribe. I mean, that's what we say always. Subscribe, hit the bell, notifications, yada, yada, yada. That's just so you do it, so we don't have to say it next time. All right, let's do it. Let's get into it. Oh, here we go. Boom shakalaka. Here it is. It's a Costway. Oh boy, this looks pretty decadent. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so unboxing was overall pretty simple. Just had to just separate all the parts. As you can see, that's my the box that it came in. I just want to put all the trash. Here's the different pieces. I didn't really know how to like lay it out and put it out, so I just took it out. Haven't handed any instructions, I hope, are in the packet, because without those, I won't know what I'm doing. And y'all are like going for a ride as I like go into the packet. Anyway, let's see. Yep, just as I expected. Everything's labeled here. So I'm gonna construct my grill as the instructions instruct me to do so. Alright, woo, it's a lot of pieces. And I actually have something to do today, so I don't have all day. Anyway, it's a 17-step process. I got 17 minutes. Oh yeah, I appreciate how they got it all leveled out, labeled. Let you know which letters go with which screws. As the instructions let me know of their necessity and importance. Pretty interesting. I'm bring a little lower for like part of it, then I'll just like phase out to the end of it, because I mean it's kind of boring and you're watching me put it together. But ultimately I'll tell you like what parts were difficult, what parts were easy, what to look out for if you have this grill or if you're getting a grill, or you know, things like that as far as assembly is concerned, because quite frankly, you're putting it together yourself, you're gonna have your own situations. But I'll let you know what to look out for. Things like that, yada yada yada, boom shakalaka, I'll let you know. So watch me do a little bit and then I'll phase out to the end. Yeah! All right, beautiful people. As you can see, the project is done. Yes. Oh my goodness. No, I was not able to complete it in a day, but I was able to get it done today. And if I do say so myself, the baby is a beauty. I must say, the Costway is the way. Already got the bad boy outside. Getting acclimated to the heat and warmth and sun and all that good stuff. I'm gonna have to get a cover for the bad boy because I don't want it to rust, rot, or decay. Okay. But just some small features I'll show you all. Of course, you gotta have your thermostat because you gotta know what the temperature is of your meats as it is cooking. If you didn't notice on the preview situation, right here we have a bottle opener, which is clutch because I love Mexican Coke, which of course has that little spin pop, hurt your finger top. So boom, I got the bottle opener right there. I also have this here tray to catch all my coal and things like that. I'll just dump that bad boy. What I love too is that I have this rack. Ooh, sun all's in my eye. I got this rack that I'm able to use. I saw in the picture, yep. Boom, folds down if I don't need it, or it folds up when I do. Boom, good to go. Boom. Opening this bad boy up to this beauty. I have, of course, it's charcoal. Who does gas? Boo. Charcoal. And I have this tray that I can raise higher for my coals, or I can spin the little knob here, and it goes back down. I love it because the grill cook surface is big enough to do my little things, you know what I'm saying, my chickens, my turkey burgers, my salmon, my vegetables, things like that. But if I need anything warming while I'm cooking, boom, got my second row. I have my little air vents and things right there when necessary to either, keep the air going through, keeping the coals hot and popping, or closing that bad boy because I'm ready to put the flame out. You know what I'm saying? It's cool because, of course, there's one set of wheels, and then I got the little stopper. Boop, stop on a dime. And yeah, man, those are the major features. Over here, you can see you got hooks for your cooking supplies or trash bags, which probably be me. Always got to have a trash bag nearby. Trash bag hook right there. Your hand wide hook because you're outside. You can't, unless you got water hose, do it like that. Spatula and a little clamper thing. Clank, 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 clank. You know what I'm saying? Little crab claws. So that's my situation, y'all. When I tell y'all the excitement is real, the excitement is beyond real because, like I said, I'm very intrigued and excited to see how I will turn out. More importantly, how I will turn out on this grill. So, hey, tune in. I have some grill cooking videos. Like Crystal does the air fryer. She does the, Instapot. She does all the other ones. I'll be out on the grill. And maybe she'll be on the grill. Maybe she'll join me. I don't know. She does steaks and stuff. I don't eat beef, so, she may go for that. But anyway, any hard things that I learned while dealing with this grill, one of the toughest parts was finding a piece. If you get this grill, that silver piece, ladies and gentlemen, is already attached to the knob. If you're buying this Costway grill and you're looking for that silver piece, it's connected to the knob. And that alone took me 35 minutes to find that knob. I was looking all in the things, I was looking in the box, I was going through the trash, only to realize that on the back of that knob was that piece. So save time on that. And other than that, man, it was pretty simple. Like, I would set aside 45 minutes to an hour breeze, you'll be good. You know what I'm saying? You could take a water break, you could take a think break, things like that. I did all of that. But an hour tops and you'll be good to go. You'll be happy just like me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so go ahead, tune in tomorrow because I will show you all some things that I did in my garden because my cucumbers are growing, my tomatoes are growing, and I had to have some things set aside or some things built, did some building, to keep those things growing nice and strong. So tune in for that tomorrow. Be on the lookout, and y'all gonna see it. Okay, y'all gonna see it before you can taste it. But if you know me, you can taste it. All right, beautiful people, love you all. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this yard because this yard is terrible. I gotta cut this bad boy, lay some fertilizer, yada 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 yada. You know what I'm saying? Little things like that. But love you. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. I love you, beautiful people. And if you're grilling, you know what I'm saying, put some suggestions down below on how I can do grilling well. And if you're hating on me, keep your comments to yourself. All right, beautiful people. Love you.